Hello, hello, hello. Good day, beautiful people. It's your favorite sensei here again, Sensei Mahal. And on today's lesson, we will be dealing with present values. Ne? So now, if you have not yet watched the previous videos on future values and other grade 11 revision topics, whereas like for example withdrawals, the change of interest rate in compound interest. Ne? Please make sure you watch those videos. Ne? So on today's lesson we'll be dealing with present values. One may ask or want to differentiate between future value and present value. So now remember one thing, that in future value it's everything for the future. Meanwhile in present values it's everything that we are dealing with now. Ne? Let's say for instance, I'm just gonna make just an example. For example, in future value, we will be dealing with investment plans, annuities, sinking funds, and get investment plan. Let's say, for example, a life cover. You'll be paying monthly payments to maybe, let's say, for example, uh, my life ne, or insurance. You'll be paying every single month. You'll be paying a premium. Then in X particular number of years, they will give back your money in a lump sum. Ne? So, but in present value is the opposite. Ne? So, in present value is the current worth of a sum of money given at a particular rate and of return. Henceforth, we will be dealing here with loans and bond repayments. Ne? So, another present value will be dealing with bonds. It can be a home loan, car loan, any type of bond or loan. Ne? So now, under the formula, we have the following. Ne? Most similar to the previous, we had a different formula under future value. So now here it's P, ne? X bracket 1 minus 1 plus I to the power negative n. Take note of this negative n all divided by I. Ne? So now still has the same meaning for this particular symbols. Ne? P stands for the present value, X stands for equal repayment. Ne? Remember now here you'll be paying back something, you'll be paying back a loan or a bond. So the X stands for repayment. Ne? Meanwhile in future value it was for the payment and get equal payment or equal deposits. So I stands for the interest rate and N stands for the number of repayment. And get so remember we know that this number of repayments is all dependent on the number of years or the compounding period. And get so now so this is for the introduction. So now let's try to tackle one example so that you all can understand better how do we deal with these questions that will come under present tense. So we have an example number one. Says William wishes to purchase a vehicle with 95,000 rands. They put the currency there. It's 95,000 rands. If he borrows the money at an interest rate of 8.5% per annum, compounded monthly, calculate now the monthly installment if the loan is paid in 5 years. Right? So let's write down our data. What are we given? We are given the period value, né? The amount of the loan. It's 95,000. If you are staying in another country like USA or any other country, you can use the currency in your state or in your country. Ne? So 95,000 is the period value, and then the interest we are given 8.5%. We know that 8.5% is compounded monthly. So this percentage, we know it will be 0.085 all divided by 12. And then this is now paid in 5 years. So for the number of years, we know that it's the years multiplied by the time. So now it's here, it's we are given it as 5 years, and it's every month for 5 years. So it's 5 multiplied by 12. Ne? Apologies for that. So what are we looking for? We do not know how much William is going to pay back. So now that's what we are calculating now. Ne? So now let's put everything in the formula. So it's 95,000 here, and then it's x. Then we have 1 minus 1 plus the interest rate, which is 0.085 over 12, 0.085 over 12, and to the power negative n. So remember, negative n is just equals to 60. So you can just write it as negative 60 here. And then this is divided by the interest rate. So the interest rate is 1 plus, sorry, it's 0.085 over 12. So now, here's the trick. Because of we have this, and just remember, this is the uh, numerator part. So here's the trick. Since we are looking for x, which is at the numerator part, so we can just put everything like this inside brackets. Let me just use another thing. Let me just use a marker. If we can just put everything here inside brackets and then find the value of this, then we divide all this value with 95,000 rands. So it's just a trick that you can use. Because of here, it's part of the numerator. So we can just, for example, suppose you are given, maybe let's say 8 here on the side is equals to x over or x 1, or let's just say 2, or let's just say 3. Okay? Let's say 3x over 4. Okay? What we can do is that we can find the value of this, which is equals to 0.75. I'm just showing you an example here. Why am I saying that we can find the value of all of this and divide it with 95,000? So because of it's the numerator part. So if we just divide everything, the 3 and the 4 here, we give us 0.75. Then divide everything here on the side, because of we are solving for x. Whatever is the coefficient, we must divide with. And then the answer will still give us the same. The answer will still give us the same. Either you can use this method of mine, or you can go cross multiplying first. It will still give you the same answer. Just take to take note of that. So it will still give you the same answer. Whether you can use this method or not, it will still give you the same answer. Remember, the reason why I am using this is because of x. It's at the top, numerator. So hence why I'm doing that. But if it was something that was inside this bracket, there was no way we can use this method of mine. So this method only applies if you are looking for a number of repayments. Mm, let's erase that. So let's continue the slide. So now let's now punch everything in the calculator. Now please take note, ne? Do not round off your answers, because of if you round off your answers, it will affect every single thing. Ne? So just do everything as it is in the calculator. So we start with the one at the top. The numerator is 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0,085 over 12, the close bracket to the power of negative 16. Then that divided by 0,085 over 12. Ne? So the answer is 48, comma 74, 11, 6281. I'm just gonna write every single thing as it is. Ne? Mm, 48, 74, 11, 8, 2, 6, 1. Ne? So this all of this ne, divided by, so after that, after dividing with it both sides, our x value ne, that we will get will be equals to 1949 and 0.7. Easy as that. Ne? So this will be the value of x. Ne? So I hope you all really enjoyed the video, as I did enjoy teaching you how to deal with examples, how to deal with questions in present video. Ne? So join us again for another video under present video. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe the video, and to share the video as much as you can. Ne? And see you all in the next video. Shop shop.